Hi, my name is Hailey Lambert. I'm the newest addition to OrthoPro's team. I currently serve as their orthotist prosthetist resident. I just came from South Dakota. I got my master's degree from Concordia St. Paul in Minnesota before coming out here to Idaho. I am actually an amputee myself, which is what got me involved in the field of orthotics and prosthetics from a very young age. Besides being an amputee and prosthetic user myself, I got into the field of prosthetics and orthotics because I really enjoy helping people. I'm a big people person, and working in the healthcare field has been a passion of mine for a long time. For a long time, I thought I wanted to be a teacher until my surgeon and prosthetist had brought up the idea that maybe this career field would be a great choice for me. And ever since then, I haven't looked back. One of the biggest reasons I chose to come to Idaho for my residency is because it's very similar to the Midwest, where I'm from. I really enjoy all things outdoors, camping, fishing, hunting, kayaking, you name it, I love it. Idaho has all sorts of things like that to offer. One thing I really enjoy about working at OrthoPro is the team that I have alongside me. The admin team is great and we communicate very well together. I also really enjoy following along with Ben and Michael. I've learned all sorts of amazing things from them, and it's been nothing but a wonderful experience. Not to mention the patients that I get to see on an everyday basis has been very fulfilling and heartwarming. I may be new to the team here, but if you or a loved one are in need of some help, come on by to OrthoPro and we'd love to meet you.